This is a wooden frame that I made in order to move a spare engine from my mom's garage to our storage unit. 20 years ago, I paid $50 for the motor, and along with that engine came a bunch of other Datsun 210 parts, including a radiator, a drive shaft, and some air conditioning components. It was a good deal. There's the motor now, against that back wall, destroying my childhood radio flyer red wagon. But it's getting a new home today. When I was younger, I was able to move this from my wife's van all by myself. Nowadays, though, I need some help, both from rental companies and from Susan. I'll be using this lift to first transfer the engine onto the wooden frame, and then again to move both into the van.
Where is that hole? Now we do that.
Before you ask, no, it's not raining inside the garage. It's just me because it's over 90 degrees outside with 0 degrees of circulation inside. So far, the plan is working. The frame seems strong enough to hold the 300-pound motor, and it's time to get both into the van. So where's the actual car at this point, you might ask? Well, I can't tell you just yet. That will be revealed in a later video.
Are we taking a video of it loading in the van? Is that the final rule?
Let's see. Depends. Something.
This phone's so dirty, I can't.
Think it's gonna work?
I don't know. I mean, it's so close. Oh, I think it is. You have to go up more. Your wheels are still. Yeah, keep going a little bit. The wheels aren't cleared. I think, yeah, they're cleared.
I might have you back the car up. Oh, stop.
Sometimes things go like you planned, and this actually went pretty smoothly. It took longer than we expected, but the engine made its way safely from my mom's garage to the storage unit. The motor's fine, None of the rental equipment was damaged, and even more importantly, neither Susan or myself were damaged. So it was a good day. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob and Susan's Workshop. Take care.